Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss the problem of inheritance. So let's understand the problem using an example. Suppose I will build an e-commerce application. So in the e-commerce application, I have user and that user has billing details. So in Java, what I will do is I will create two separate class for user as well as for billing details. So something like this I will create. So in user class, what I will have username, address and billing details. And in billing details class, I have account, bank name and user. So to map these details in database, I have created two separate tables. One is for users and the other is for billing details. In billing details, I have foreign key reference for users table. So they can join using the username. Suppose I want to fetch billing details of a particular user. What I can do is I will write a query by joining these two tables and will fetch the billing details of a particular user. Something like this I will write. Okay, but think about this. Suppose the user come and ask us that I will edit my billing details. I will edit my billing details. Going forward, I will have two options like credit card or net banking. Whichever I want, I will use at the time of payment. So as a Java developer, what we will do is we will create two subclass of billing details. One is for credit card, the other is for net banking. That is the inheritance we will use. Okay, one is for one subclass is for credit card and another one for net banking. Suppose the user wants to use credit card in Java. What we'll do is we'll create an instance of credit card subclass and we will use the methods or operation whatever possible. Okay, but think about this. How we are going to achieve it using SQL. SQL doesn't support that level of inheritance what we have in Java. So this challenge what we are facing to map the inheritance in SQL is called the problem of inheritance. Thank you.